What's up, guys? Mr. Fit to Flourish, and today I wanted to talk about the $500 account challenge, where we are, how it's going, and how we got there. So the count is currently well over 200%, which sounds pretty amazing until you realize it's it's only $500. For an account to be over 200% is pretty insane. So what are we doing to get there? We're only taking sure trades, okay? And we're doing really good risk to reward, okay? It's not about, let me put $1 million in and get $1 million out, which everyone is so focused on the money. And that's where you're getting cooked as traders is you're so focused on, I need to make $1,000 today. When you really need to be focusing on what is the percent gain that I can get off of this trade. Okay, what is the percent gain I can get off of this trade? And then if I lose, what is the dollar amount that I am losing? So percent gain and then dollar amount losing. Okay, that's really what you need to focus on is to keeping your gains greater than your losses. That's the way to say profitable. So if you make $50 on a trade and you lose $30 on another trade, well, net sum, you made $20. You're profitable. That's all that matters. It doesn't matter how much in the beginning. And then once you get further along in your journey, that's when you'll be able to size into plays and make a massive difference to your account. Let's get right into it. So this is where I left the videos off last time. I believe 694.29 was where the account was. And it's been quite a few weeks. I keep it updated in the Discord, but I'm trying to keep it updated everywhere. I keep forgetting where did I say this or that, like TikTok or Instagram or I don't know. So I forgot to upload it on YouTube. So here's the update. But 694 is where we left off last time. And if you go through the Discord, it shows every day that I'm posting that we're in there. We're pretty much getting small gains. Small gains to the account, but massive gains in terms of the plays. We've been calling out swing trades that have been going 300%. But because the account is so small, I'm only risking $50, $100, $150, and then the $70 will go to $210. But it doesn't look like too crazy. But the percent gain, if you put $7,000 in and you went 300%, well, now you're up to $40,000. So it percent wise, it is insane. So the more the account grows, the crazier the numbers are going to actually look. The numbers are actually really crazy in terms of percent wise for the plays that we are catching. Okay. And I'll show you how we're catching these plays. But essentially, we're currently at 17.29. Today is Friday, September 26th. It went up 221% today. I took 2 0-day to expiration contracts. Pretty risky, but again, I'm looking at my downside. I'm like, okay, well, if I put in $100 and I go down 30%, I'm down $30. Who cares? Whoop-de-doo. It's not going to affect my account, right? But if I go up, what I'm expecting 50%, 100% on these 0-day plays, then I can make $50 to $100. So the risk reward is there. So I took $150 worth of IWM calls right at the open. And actually, let me show how I took that, because I just want to show what is the thought process behind my trades. I take my two main strategies is I take demand zone puts demand zone calls on a key level. And if I'm taking puts, I'm taking supply zone puts at a key level. Okay, but currently the market's in massive uptrend. I know we're currently pulling back today, but overall you want to stay with the overall larger trend. So anyways, here's what we did. So we pulled back right at the open. We were above this key level pretty much all pre-market. And we're above the 9, we're above the 20. And then my volume RSI was really big. And we're above the point of control. So a big volume here. So I know we shouldn't really go down. Okay, we shouldn't go down. So I said, you know what? We pulled back. We tested this level. We were holding. I entered calls. And I said, if we close below this key level, I'm out. But then my target was first. This risk to reward is actually pretty stupid. So my exit was there. Target was it was a 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio. My target was just the call zone ATR. Right? That call zone ATR. And again, the indicators I use Saudi ATR. I use the EMAs, 9, 20, 50, 100, 200. And then I use something called the volume profile, or sorry, the volume RSI. And then I put volume profiles on here, but that's just a tool. But I use the volume RSI, okay? So I don't know if anyone shares their indicators. That's my indicators. If you want to use them, you're going to be the best trader in the world. but yeah, I just wanted to target that call ATR. I use the 5-minute time frame to day trade. I pretty much day trade and scalp for the majority of the part. And then I do swing trades. My swing trades are insane. When I do get into swing trades, I literally just wait for the best setups and then I get into them. And I do, again, similar to this, I'll just look on the larger time frames and look for this similar setup. Above the 9, above the 20, we're breaking out. Volume RSI is big, literally the same thing, okay? And then we did have a continuation. So in the group, I had said, hey, guys, get 1 day to expiration contracts if you want, because we're going to go test the 200. And we did. We went and tested 200. And then because it was before 10 a.m., you don't usually get continuation from 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is the market-wide reversal time. And you could tell we got a reversal here. We did a micro double top, huge topside wick, bearish engulfing bar, and the market kind of sold off. And the market really sold off of, let me pull up the news here. Share this tab. Somewhere in here. Bruh. Well, there was some news on Moody's saying that we're probably in a recession, blah, 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 recession. So the market got spooked right at 10 a.m. And it's funny that it happened right at 10 a.m., which is the market-wide reversal time. Okay. But anyways, that's all I wanted to do. We wanted to share that account update. So again, currently up about 200% on the $500 account challenge. And if you do want to see like more details about it, there is a 3-day free trial on the in the link below for the Discord. So you could literally just do your 3-day trial, go through all of the documents and stuff in the Discord, copy it, paste it, whatever you want to do with it, learn how to trade forever and make $1 million bajillion dollars. There's literally some sauce in there. And it's all in one place. I know if you just like to watch the YouTube channel, that's fine. But if you do want to see like more stuff, like, oh, I want to see, I can't keep updating on YouTube. It takes forever to upload stuff on YouTube if you didn't know. But yeah, everything is on the Discord. And then I'm live every single night talking about the plays that we're going to get in, and they all go a bajillion million%. So that's why this $500 account challenge is going to go from 500 to $1 million bajillion, because we know what we're doing. Anyways, it's your boy, Mr. Fit to Flourish. Hope you enjoyed the video. We're going to keep the updates coming, and I'm out. Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance, and growth.